Newburn Tower, November 8987 Victor, at taxi intersection Alpha, runway 04, ready for departure.
Cessna 8987 Victor, Newburn Tower, runway 4, cleared for takeoff. You can proceed on course.
Clear for takeoff, we'll proceed on course for the November 8987 Victor. Already start, we called the hotel. This is the Swiss call sign, Evaluation, it's Hotel Bravo. Right, then RPM check.
All pressure, temperatures in the green.
Green good,
Alright,
then
let's
release.
go. It's alive.
Good, speed live.
Rotate 55.
Rotate.
Right rudder.
Yep. Washington Warren, November 8987 Victor, 8 miles south, or straight in approach to runway 05. Washington Warren, Washington Warren, November 8987 Victor, final runway 05, 3 miles.
Cessna 8987 Victor, continue straight ahead, turn left taxiway Bravo, Bravo Echo to the ramp.
Bravo Echo to the ramp, 87 Victor, thank you.
Probably the best is I have a bag from Cool.